Welcome back, students. Now let's continue. His forehead was resplendent with secret ash and vermilion, and his eyes sparkled with a sharp abnormal gleam, which was really an outcome of continual searching look for customers, but which his simple silence took to be prophetic light and felt comforted. His forehead was resplendent. Resplendent means bright or impressive, with secret ash. Ash means the grey or black powder which is left after something has burned, and secret means connected with God. पवित्र पूज्य अशी रक्षा राख किंवा विभूती. And vermilion. Vermilion means having a bright or red in color. And his eyes sparkle with a sharp abnormal gleam. Abnormal means different from what is normal or that is unpleasant. Unpleasant म्हणजे मराठीत म्हणतो आपण त्याला अस्वस्थ करून टाकणारे. Gleam. Gleam means a soft light that is shine for short time, which was really an outcome. Outcome means the result or effect of an action. मराठीत परिणाम म्हणतो आपण त्याला. ऑफ अ कंटिन्युअल सर्चिंग. कंटिन्युअल मीन्स हॅपनिंग अगेन अँड अगेन look for customers, but which his simple silence took. Took means to carry or move. To be prophetic light and felt comforted. Prophetic means foretelling or visionary. म्हणजे भविष्याचा वेध घेणारं. Light felt and comforted. His forehead was bright and impressive, and he put on his head ash, and his eyes having very bright and red in color. They are very sharp and unpleasant and shiny, which was very talkative and impressive. And he always there searching look for customers. His eyes was very impressive and effective, that is why people gathered him. And he was telling to their visionary foretelling fortune means he told people something and people also believed that he was saying, and people are satisfied their suggestion. The power of his eyes was considerably enhanced by their position placed as they were between the painted forehead and the dark whiskers which streamed down his cheeks. Even a half-wit eyes would sparkle in such a setting. The power of his eyes was considerably means noticeable, मोठ्या प्रमाणात. Enhance means to prove something or to make something look better. Increase, वाढणे. By their position place as they were between the painted forehead. Painted forehead means point or small particle, and the dark whiskers which steamed down. Steamed down means to run or to flow. His cheeks, even a half-wit eyes. Half-wit eyes means looking a stupid person would sparkle in such a city. And his eyes having some power. His eyes was very noticeable. They prove something or to make something look better by their position. Means he was painted forehead. Means he put on his head in middle point or particle. We people are called bindi or tika. And his whiskers was very dark. Dark means black in color, which steamed down means to run or to flow in downside on his cheeks. Even a half-wit eyes. Half-wit eyes means actually the real meaning is looking a stupid person, but here we say that he looked like a very intelligent person, because generally astrologers look like this. Those people are wandering here and there. They see the astrologers, and astrologers get up means personality, and innocent people really believe that he was saying true fortune. Means really the people are stupid, because intelligent person are not believe that the fortune and so on, right? To crown the effect, he wore a saffron color turban around his head. This color scheme he never failed. People were attracted to him as bees are attracted to cosmos or dahlia stalks. To crown the effect, he wore a saffron color. Saffron color means orange in color. Turban. Turban means a covering for the head worn especially by Sikh or Muslim men. A turban is made by folding a long piece of cloth around the head. मराठीत आपण त्याला फेटा किंवा पगडी असे म्हणतो. This color scheme never failed. Scheme means an official plan. म्हणजे एखादी गोष्ट करण्यासाठी अधिकृतपणे केलेली योजना किंवा पूर्वतयारी त्याला आपण म्हणतो. People were attracted to him as bees are attracted to cosmos or dahlia stalks. Cosmos means universe, space, or dahlia means the name of the flower plants. Stalk means branches. He wear the crown. He wear the crown. The effect, he wore a saffron color. Saffron color means I already told you orange in color. Turban around his head. A turban is made by folding a long piece of cloth the head. All his wearing get up. This type of he was wearing. This color scheme he never failed. Scheme means he was full of planning. That is why he wearing this type of clothes. All his wearing and get up. Definitely people attract to him as bees are attract to cosmos or dahlia stalks. People were attracted to him as honeybees are attracted to flowers, cosmos or dahlia. These are the flowers' name. This way people were attracted to him.